Home 365 is a new breed of property management. Investor-centric and forward-thinking, we remove the unknown from real estate investment and deliver twice the industry-standard profits. Ever wonder why your rental property ROI is so limited? Why is your passive investment such a hassle? We looked at the current state of property management and found an entire industry that thrives off the unpredictable nature of your investment. Traditional management companies are structured to profit in every situation, even from their own mistakes. They take up to 10% for basic service and charge limitless fees for menial tasks. Repairs and maintenance are never included. Worst of all, your ROI is drained by kickbacks and markups you'll never see. In fact, studies show that at the end of the day, you may pay over 30% of your rental income for ongoing management. That's 4 months of rent gone. Home 365 changes that. Our business model removes the risk and stress of property ownership to create a truly passive investment experience, complete with a more profitable, predictable ROI. What does this mean? Comprehensive management. One company for all your needs. We handle rental listings, vacancy insurance, tenant management, and maintenance for one flat, all-inclusive rate. Zero fees or unknown costs. Trust requires transparency. Our all-inclusive management fee comes with our user-friendly app and real-time dashboards so you can check in on your property at any time. No surprises or tricks. Vacancy insurance. We take listing and filling your rental seriously. If we can't fill it, it's on us. That's why our management fee includes vacancy insurance, making your vacancy rate effective 0. All-inclusive maintenance. We take pride in keeping your investment in top shape. Whether it is ongoing, preventative, or unexpected repairs, we cover it. No service fees or unknown expenses. Labor and materials are included. Now ask yourself, do you get this from your current property manager? How do we do it? Artificial intelligence is transforming the way the world does business. Founded in Silicon Valley, we apply AI and advanced data science to provide more efficient, transparent, and effective management while passing along the profits to you. Your rental property should be an asset, not a burden. Switch to Home 365 today. We'll take care of the rest.